Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Soumya and today's video is going to be about things that we need to buy before getting our puppy home. So let's get started. So the first item is dog bed. Make sure that you do not invest much at this point in time because puppy abhi chota hai and he might ruin that bed. Abhi he will chew onto it, he might pee onto it. So right now you just need to buy a bed that just suffices his need. Go for a good dog bed once your puppy is matured enough. So the next item is food and water bowls. You definitely do not need to buy food and water bowls again and again. So you can go and buy a good quality food and water bowl in first go itself. So here is Alvin's paw. He says hi to you all. Moving on to next item, which is dog food. Now it totally depends on what type of food do you prefer to give to your dog, homemade food or the food that is available in market. What type of food do you prefer, Boxer? So when Alvin was a puppy, here is Alvin with his butt towards the camera. So when Alvin was a puppy, I used to feed him homemade food most of the times, like boiled chicken and rice, boiled egg, boiled vegetables. But I also used to give him dog food that is available in the market, because I feel that in case some of the nutrition that is missing out in the food that we give to our dogs at home, he might get those missing nutrition from the dog food. Alvin, biscuit. The next item is chew toys or chew bones. It is a lifesaver, you guys. I would suggest that buy tons and tons of chew bones. So those are basically to keep the puppies busy and engaged and they do not chew onto any other things. Also guys, I will try to find all these items in Amazon and I will link in the description of this video. You can definitely go and check those out, and if you find any of the items useful for you, you can order that. Next item in the list is collar and leash. Make sure to buy a good quality collar and leash, and also check that the size of the collar is apt for your puppy. Moving on to next item, which is hygiene related. You need to buy dog shampoo, then tick powder and dry shampoo. Now dry shampoo is completely optional, but I preferred it because I used to use it in a way, let's say I bring Alvin back from a walk, so I used to spray the dry shampoo in a towel or something, and then I would wipe all his paws with that dry shampoo. I would not use it all over his furs, but just for wiping his paws. So the next item in the list is dogs grooming. Now it totally depends on I have to show you this. The next item in the list is grooming equipments. So it includes a hairbrush or comb for your dog, and then the second thing would be nail clipper. I would recommend that do not clip the nails by yourself if you are not confident on that, and take them only to the vet for doing so. The next grooming equipment would be toothbrush. I used to give Alvin a dentist stick or something that used to come. I'm not able to recall the name at the moment, but again I'll search that also off Amazon, and then I'll link that in the description of this video. So this is it for this video guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also comment down below if you would like to see something in particular. And chalna hai? Bolo. Good Alvin. Bye guys. Boxer, shake hand. ऐसे नहीं करना था, shake hand उठ के करना था. Swap of dogs. मुझे बच्चे Backchat. No. थप्पड़ खाएगा.